In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy OpenAI API credits. Whether you're a developer looking to explore the capabilities of OpenAI's tools or a business seeking to integrate cutting-edge AI into your services, having a balance of API credits is essential. Let's take a quick 5 minutes to guide you through the process. To get started, you'll need to log into your OpenAI account. This first step is straightforward. Head over to the OpenAI website and use your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Next, you'll want to navigate to the billing section. Look for a button or link that says Go to Billing. Clicking this will take you to all things related to your account's finances. This is where you manage how you pay for the API services and keep track of your spending. Once you're in the billing area, the next thing to do is add your payment details. Look for an option that says Add Payment Details and go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Be sure to have your credit card or other preferred payment method ready. Enter the required details carefully, as errors could delay your access to the credits. After your payment details are set up, you'll have the option to either make a one-time purchase of credits or set up an auto recharge. An auto recharge is useful if you plan to use the API regularly. It allows a set amount of credits to be added to your account automatically when your balance falls below a certain threshold. This ensures you never run out of credits at a critical moment. Think about your usage needs when deciding which option suits you best. Once you've decided how you want to manage your purchases, it's time to select the amount of credits you'd like to buy. The minimum purchase amount is often $5. If you're trialing the service, starting with the minimum amount is a good idea. However, if you predict higher usage, consider buying more to take advantage of any bulk purchasing benefits. With everything set, you're on the home stretch. Review your selection and confirm the amount. Double-check your payment details and purchase settings to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, complete the purchase by clicking on the Confirm button. And that's it. You've now purchased OpenAI API credits. You'll see the credits reflected in your account and can start using them right away to explore OpenAI's capabilities. Remember, you can always return to your account settings to adjust your payment methods or purchase more credits as needed. Thanks for joining me today, and happy exploring with OpenAI.